Moving on to the penultimate zodiac, that is Aquarius, water sign. All right. Aquarius, for love you have drawn Six of Swords reversed. So what I can sense right now is that you may be struggling this year very hard to make an advancement. Go to another level when it comes to your love life, when it comes to your love interest, your romantic partner, or again people with whom you are deeply emotionally involved. However, this year you may not acquire or achieve what you want. The card is telling me right now you'll have to struggle with whatever surroundings you are dwelling in, whatever situation you are right now in is something that is going to prolong, that is going to continue for at least till the month of July. Till the month of July, yes, correct. Till the month of July, you would keep struggling. You would try very hard, maybe trying to fix up your marriage, trying to seek your parents' permission for your marriage or approval from your parents for your girlfriends, making the right choice or whatever. However, till July, things are not going to go your way. So the best thing is wait for the right time to come. Moving on to your career, Ace of Wands reversed. Again, some of you may think of quitting your job. There are chances that you may feel that enough has been given to this company. I don't have anything else. I mean, there's nothing much left within you to give to the organization you're working for or that job, that particular position, that designation. You may think of leaving or quitting that job. You may not feel very enthusiastic towards that job. It might have served a lot of purposes earlier. However, in coming time, in 2016, you would feel suddenly detached. Sense of detachment will come into you as far as that job is concerned, that profile that you're working on is concerned. So now I'm not going to say leave or don't leave. It's totally up to you how you want to make a choice. If you think, okay, you are feeling drained out, there's nothing much remaining in you as an employee or as a worker, quit. If you think there are things which can be brightened up, go ahead with that. All I'm telling you is this year you might get disinterested in whatever work, whatever job you're doing. Two aces, one after the other, but the best part is Ace of Pentacles upright has come for your family. Your family is going to be very happy monetarily. Financially, your family is going to have a very good, secure time. And one more thing I want to tell you, regardless of the fact you quit or you leave or you don't leave your current job or a current position, you are going to help your family members financially. That is for sure, I can tell you. There could be a situation where your family members need money for some construction work or some renovation or daughter's marriage, something, son's admission in a good college, whatever. You are going to be instrumental in providing them that money and making them strong and secure as far as money is concerned. So feel happy about it. Coming down to health. The Tower upright. It's a major arcana card. A little scary. However, since it's upright, I would tell you that you may experience a sudden requirement. Maybe I should not be saying this, but there could be an event that would occur in your life which would make you realize that whatever lifestyle, whatever health regime that you had been following, whatever you were doing to take care of your health, or maybe you were too careless about your health, needs to be taken care now. The most lucky, the most fortunate part is that this is upright. there are very high chances that you may suddenly for some reason get hospitalized. I can also see an accident, but the accident would not be a major one. It would only lead you to realize that okay, maybe you will go for some test, some medical blood test or urine test or whatever, and you would be told that listen, you need to take care of your hemoglobin or your blood sugar or your blood pressure. Something of that sort would happen, and you would have to change entirely your lifestyle and do things to make your health better and stable. Stable is the word that's echoing in my mind. Coming down to your overall environment of the year, 8 of Swords. Now 8 of Swords is a very clear card. It doesn't have a very hidden meaning to it. It is clearly telling me, if you remember I had told you that initially the coming 6 months you may feel stagnated, stuck in your love life. You may not be able to take it to another level altogether. As I said, please wait for the right time to come. I said you might feel like quitting your job, and then health as well is giving you a clear warning, which means everything boils down to you. It is you actually who is tired, who is actually chained. I mean, it also can mean that you yourself don't want to get rid of those restrictions or limitations. So now you need to understand that if you really want to progress in life, and when I say life, I'm actually looking at a year after, which is 2017. If you really want to enter 2017 happily, you have to understand one thing, that you need to open your blindfold, you need to unwind yourself, let yourself loose of all the pain, all the negativity and hopelessness especially, and then make decisions and march ahead. Now let's see what God has asked me to tell you in the form of his message. The Empress, Archangel Gabriel. Time to act upon your plans. Creativity is rewarded. Luxurious or abundant resources. Luxurious or abundant resources. This is why I was telling you that your family and you are going to be financially very secure this year. To the extent that you will be giving, you will be providing them monetary security and satisfaction. And time to act upon your plans. As I was saying, that it's not bad to think of quitting your particular job. It's just that you need to stand up now. And why not? See, 8 of Swords. You need to understand that this is the time to take actions. You need to chalk out your path. Do not wait for anybody to come to your rescue. You need to do things for your own self. That's all for Aquarius. Thank you so very much. All the very best and Happy New Year.